Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video, we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. MTEN Fiberglass Paddle. The Selkirk Sport SLK Halo Raw Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle is a high-performance paddle designed for adult intermediate players seeking both control and power on the court. Crafted in the USA, this paddle is available in 3 advanced material options: the T700 Raw Carbon Fiber for maximum power, the 18K Ultra Weave for precision and control, and the Kevlar Linkweave Thermoform Pro for a balanced all-around performance. Each variant is engineered to optimize your game, allowing players to customize their paddle based on playstyle. The paddle's full carbon fiber construction, spanning the face, frame, and shaft, ensures lightweight durability and excellent responsiveness. Weighing just 8.2 ounces, the SLK Halo provides exceptional maneuverability and quick reaction time, helping players execute fast volleys, spins, and smashes with precision. Its 4 1/8-inch grip size delivers a comfortable, secure hold for extended matches, reducing fatigue and enhancing control over each shot. Designed for intermediate-level players, this all-around paddle combines power, touch, and consistency, making it suitable for both competitive and recreational play. Its innovative construction materials, carefully engineered balance, and sleek carbon fiber finish make it a standout option for pickleball enthusiasts looking for professional-grade performance without sacrificing comfort. Whether you prefer power-driven rallies or strategic placement, the Selkirk Sport SLK Halo offers versatility, durability, and responsiveness, representing a top-tier choice for advancing your game on the court. Number 2. Selkirk Latitude. The MTN USAPA-approved Fiberglass Pickleball Set is a versatile and durable paddle set designed for players of all skill levels, including children. This set is perfect for recreational and beginner pickleball players, offering a reliable combination of performance, control, and comfort. Each paddle features a lightweight design at just 7.8 ounces, making it easy to handle for long play sessions and helping improve reaction time and agility on the court. Constructed with a fiberglass hitting surface, the paddles deliver consistent ball response, excellent touch, and precision for both volleys and ground strokes. The frame is made from sturdy polypropylene, while the shaft is fiberglass, providing strength and resilience while maintaining a lightweight structure. This combination ensures durability while giving players the ability to execute controlled shots with minimal effort. The paddles come with a 4.57-inch grip size, offering a secure and comfortable hold suitable for both kids and adults. USAPA approval ensures the paddles meet official regulations for competitive play, giving players confidence that they can be used in sanctioned events. This set is designed to be family-friendly and inclusive, making it ideal for mixed-age play. Whether playing casual games in the backyard, participating in recreational leagues, or practicing skills, the MTN Fiberglass Pickleball Set offers an excellent balance of quality, performance, and accessibility. Its lightweight, durable construction, and USAPA-approved design make it a dependable choice for anyone looking to enjoy the fast-growing sport of pickleball with ease and confidence. Number 3. Onix Z5 Graphite. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle is a comprehensive set designed for adult intermediate players who want a complete, high-quality pickleball package. Designed in the USA, this bundle includes 2 premium graphite paddles, 3 high-performance pickleballs, and a convenient carrying bag, making it an all-in-one solution for practice, recreational play, or competitive matches. Each paddle features a G4 graphite face combined with a polymer rev core, delivering a balanced mix of power, control, and touch. The carbon graphite construction of the paddle, covering the face, frame, and shaft, ensures lightweight durability, allowing players to react quickly and maintain precision on volleys, serves, and ground strokes. With a 4¼ inch grip size, the paddles provide a secure and comfortable hold, reducing hand fatigue during extended play and enhancing maneuverability for both aggressive shots and delicate placements. Weighing just 1.79 pounds per bundle, the set is easy to carry and transport, with the included bag providing organized storage for paddles, balls, and accessories. The intermediate-level design allows players to develop skills while enjoying excellent responsiveness and consistency from the graphite construction. This bundle is ideal for adults seeking a high-performance, versatile pickleball set that combines durability, comfort, and professional-grade materials. Whether for practice, casual games with friends, or league play, the Selkirk Latitude Pickleball Bundle offers everything needed to elevate your game. Its thoughtful design, lightweight build, and complete accessory package make it a standout choice for enthusiasts looking for quality, convenience, and performance in one bundle. Number 4. Paddletek Bantam TS5. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle is a versatile, high-quality paddle designed for adult players of all skill levels, from beginners to advanced competitors. Engineered with a focus on comfort, control, and durability, the Mod Z5 combines premium materials and thoughtful design to enhance every aspect of your game. The paddle features a graphite face that delivers consistent ball response, excellent touch, and precise shot control. Its carbon fiber frame provides strength and rigidity while keeping the paddle lightweight, allowing for quick reactions and effortless swings during fast-paced rallies. The graphite shaft complements the paddle's overall structure, ensuring stability, responsiveness, and reliable performance with every hit. Weighing approximately 0.23 kilograms, the Onix Mod Z5 is easy to maneuver, reducing arm fatigue and making it ideal for extended practice sessions, recreational play, or competitive matches. The 4¼ inch cushion comfort grip enhances control while maintaining a secure, ergonomic hold, helping players execute accurate shots, volleys, and spins with confidence. Designed for adult players, this paddle combines performance and comfort without sacrificing durability. Its high-quality graphite and carbon fiber construction make it a long-lasting choice suitable for frequent use, while the well-balanced design accommodates a variety of playing styles. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 is an excellent option for players seeking a reliable, high-performance paddle that enhances precision, power, and comfort on the pickleball court. Number 5. Joola Essential Pickleball. The Joola Pickleball Paddle is a durable, beginner-friendly paddle designed for adult players of all skill levels, combining quality materials, comfort, and performance. Engineered to provide consistent play and long-lasting use, this paddle is ideal for recreational games, practice sessions, or competitive matches. Featuring a reinforced fiberglass hitting surface, the paddle offers excellent touch, control, and precision on every shot. The honeycomb polypropylene core enhances power and stability, providing a solid feel while reducing vibration for a more comfortable playing experience. The combination of carbon fiber and polypropylene in the construction ensures lightweight durability, allowing for quick reactions and smooth swings during fast rallies. Weighing just 232 grams, the paddle is easy to handle, reducing fatigue during extended play. Its 4¾ inch grip size provides a secure and comfortable hold, helping players maintain control over volleys, ground strokes, and serves. The ergonomic design and cushioned grip further enhance comfort, making it suitable for extended play by beginners and experienced players alike. USAPA approval guarantees that the Joola paddle meets official standards, ensuring it is suitable for sanctioned tournaments and league play. Available in multiple colors, this paddle allows players to express their style while enjoying consistent performance. With its high-quality materials, durable construction, and comfortable grip, the Joola pickleball paddle is a reliable choice for anyone looking to enjoy pickleball with confidence, precision, and fun.